and as he goes out from his home, it's started raining and snowing heavily, and he gets lost in the middle of the snow. He was also warned by his aunt to not to lose his way. But later on, after lots of efforts, he finally reaches home by taking a help of a kind man who was in his court. It is a short story of a boy, and this poem has been written with lots of spelling mistakes, or you can say with the lots of homophone mistakes. Let's see what are these mistakes over here, and then we would correct them. First stanza. A little boy said, "Mother dear." You have to change this boy with these words, these correct homophones I have already written over here. May I go out to play? To. You have to change this to with this. The sun is bright. Sun, spelling of sun. You have to change these spellings with this sun. The air is clear. Air. Oh mother, don't say nay. O, spelling of O and nay. This nay means not. Go forth, my son. This son you have to change with this. The mother sat. The aunt sat. Take your sledge. Okay, aunt, you have to change these spellings. A-U-N-T. Okay. Your nice new sledge, all painted red. Change all these homophones with these words. But do not lose your way. Stanza 3. Through snowdrift great, through watery pool, he flew with might and main. Flew, spelling of flew and might. Change these words. Said he, though I would walk by rule, I am not right. It's plain. I would like to meet some kindly soul. Spelling of meet and soul. Some, spelling of some. Change here these spellings, okay? I would like to meet some kindly soul, for here new dangerous way. Change these words with these, okay, according to these homophones. And yonder stirs a treacherous hole. Two souls has been my great. I am weak and pale. I have missed my rod. But here a cart came past. Change the spelling of cart. He and his sledge were safely towed. Change these words according to these homophones I have already written. Back to his home at last. So this is how you are going to write homophones, just like I have written down on my book. The underlined words are misspelled. You write correct ones beside each and every line, so that you must know what you are reading, learn their meaning, and write them in your notebooks too. And also learn words meaning given at the top of this lesson from Word Bank. And do exercise from PDF files I have already shared on WhatsApp. So this was our today's lesson. Thank you so much for listening. Have a blessed day.